Welcome to Williamsport, PA Apartments. Today, we're touring a newly remodeled open-concept one-bedroom apartment at 222 Chatham Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. As we enter, you'll notice updated vinyl plank flooring, a ceiling fan with overhead lighting, and two large windows that bring in natural light. The kitchen features newer cabinetry, an updated sink with pull-down faucet, a refrigerator, and a brand new electric range. Smart storage and overhead lighting make the space efficient and functional. The defined bedroom area includes a large window, ceiling fan, wall-mounted heating and air conditioning unit, and generous closet storage. The bathroom has an updated vanity and mirror, modern fixtures, a full tub and shower, and an overhead exhaust fan and light. As we step back through the kitchen and living space, you can see how the open layout creates an easy flow while still offering defined areas for living, cooking, and resting. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to learn more or check current availability, please visit our website or view the link in the description below. We'd love to welcome you home to Chatham Street.